Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Code Heroes. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can run Android emulator or an iOS emulator in the VS Code. So first of all, I have opened my VS Code. Then I'll go to extensions and then I'll search for emulator. And we have to install this extension. So I'll just click on install. Once it is installed, I click on this settings icon over here and then click on settings. Here, in your case, you might have a different path over here and this would be empty in your case. So what you have to do is you have to press your Windows key plus R key and then you have to search for app data and then click on OK. You can also search for run over here and then simply open it and then go to app data. Then go to local. Here you can go to Android, then SDK, then emulator, and then you have to copy this entire path and then you have to paste it over here. And you're gonna also paste it over here, emulator path Windows. So make sure you paste it both these places. Once that is done, I can simply open a folder. I'll go to desktop, select folder, and then you can see an icon over here. You can simply click on it and then select the emulator. And once you click on that, the emulator will start running. These emulators you can download from the Android Studio. So that emulator is also used over here. As you can see, my mobile device is starting. I have also created a video on how to create Flutter projects on VS Code. So you can also watch that video. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and just comment down below if you face any issues.